everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everyone doing today? Would you look at this mess? I'm going to sit here today and try to sort through all this stuff. I'm tired of looking at it. It's just too much. I'm overwhelmed. I'm a hoarder. Okay. Semi-organized. It's better than what it was. That's the garage cleaned out. Mess. Now look at this. There's still more clothes in the garage. I brought all this stuff out from storage containers. Not to mention the stuff that I have in those bags. The vacuum bags that's in the back room in my office. Oh my Lord. Let me sit down. Catch my breath. I want to show you this mess in my living room. And this is not everything. There's two more out in the garage. There's more stuff in vacuum bags in the back room. I'll tell you. It don't make any sense. I don't wear half of it. I don't wear any stuff. I forgot all about this. It's been in these containers in the garage. More clothes in here. This is filled up. Not to mention the stuff that's hung up in my closet that I should be Poshmarking. But this stuff here, my friend told me when I moved down here I'm not going to need all my clothes, and she's right. Because this here, I'm not going to wear none of this stuff, but it's so hard to let go. Some of you know what I mean. I have gotten rid of quite a bit. A lot before I moved here. Some when I moved here, I've sent some to ThredUp. I tried to Poshmark. And then some stuff I've taken around the corner to the Salvation Army. I need to find a woman's shelter. So now I have to sit here and sort through this stuff of what I'm just going to donate. And I got to find a woman's shelter. I'm a hoarder, y'all. I'm a clothing hoarder. I brought these 3 bins because now I'm going to have to sort. One's going to be keep, donate, sell. It's going to be interesting to see how much I get rid of because I've tried this before. And I've gotten rid of most of the ones that I figured I wouldn't be missing. But here we go again. I can't keep all this stuff. It's no use. Somebody could use this stuff. And the rule is, anytime you bring something new in, you get rid of some stuff. And I've never been able to do that. But I have gotten rid of, I have gotten rid of so much clothing. Since I'm not working anymore, and I'm not going out as much as I used to, why am I holding on to this stuff? And some of it I can't even fit, so I don't know why I'm holding on to it. Okay. It's been a bit of an overcast day. Keep, donate, sell. I'm not going to bore you because this is going to take me a while. So I'm just going to sort through this stuff. And by the time I'm finished, we're going to see how much I'm going to actually get rid of. All right. You all look at this. All this denim and stuff. This is supposed to be the keep, donate, and sell. Here's a donate right here. Those are 2 keeps. Those are 2 sell. Problem is, I'm having a difficult time with this. It's hard to let this stuff go. Even though I'm not going to say I'm not going to lose weight. I want to lose weight. And I want to have some clothes when I do lose weight. Let's think positive here. Some of this stuff is summer stuff, which I could use, which really, I don't go anywhere, so I don't really need that much summer stuff. But I just cannot bring myself to depart with this stuff. So I think I'm going to come up with a different plan. All the clothes that I cannot fit, that I would like to keep, I'm going to put them in probably this container here. And, yeah. I still have those 2 trash cans to go through. But, yeah, I need to sort through this stuff. And I need to put more stuff in here, of course. And I will. And still I have stuff in that bag, stuff that I wanted to keep. But I need to go through that again, too. Oh, boy. This is tough, y'all. This is tough. This is more difficult than I thought. Back there in that big closet of mine, armoire in my office, I have comforters, clothing items that is in the bags that you use. What you call them? Brain freeze. The bags, the plastic bags that you vacuum bags. Duh. So I'm rethinking it, because do I want to put these containers back outside? That thing back there is wide enough and tall enough to handle at least 3 of those bins over there stacked on top of each other. Then I'm rethinking that maybe those trash cans, if I put my comforters and stuff in that, put it in the garage, but put it in plastic, because you know I'm OCD, to double protect it. And of course, whenever I do bring it back in the house, I'm going to wash it again, you know, just, because that's just me. I'm going to wash it. But if I just store those out there, keep my clothes back in here, I don't know. I'm going to figure out something. This is crazy. I need to get rid of this stuff. I'm overwhelmed. I have so much denim items. I'm thinking, y'all, oh, God. I understand now when they show hoarders. Oh, God, those people are sick. I have to, I can't fault them. There's a mental illness. But I almost feel like then when they say you need to get rid of this, are you going to wear it? No, you need to let it go. But I get it. I'm not going to wear it. I should just keep a few pieces, in case I lose weight. Not in case when I lose weight. Let's put that into the atmosphere. Let me not think negative. And, yeah. I'll be back, y'all. I'll figure out what I'm going to do here. As you can see, I haven't made that much progress. I have more keeps than giveaway. Look at that. Alright, let me show you something. I went through and cleaned this out yesterday with some of the stuff I don't need to use anymore. Clothes, but look at this. Damn! I'm so funny. My comforters and stuff, I don't want them outside. Believe it or not, a lot of this stuff is clothing. So I'm trying to figure a way if I can put these in the trash cans and protect them and put them in the garage. Put the clothing bin stacked up here. Hell, I don't know. I just don't know. It's so much work to do. The backyard, the weather's perfect right now to get out in that backyard and do a little landscaping. Someone just rang the doorbell, but I couldn't get to it. Just landscaping. Not that I'm ready to pay anybody, but I might have to. But right now I need to focus on all these clothes in the living room. Yeah. Go back in here. I'm just at my wit's end here. I have got to just bite the bullet and let this stuff go. Stop trying to hold on to it. Oh, I need help, y'all. I'm crazy. I think what I'm going to do before I drive myself completely insane, I'm going to go through and look at the stuff that I can actually wear now and put that to the side. Let's see, what size is this? It's a shame, half the stuff I don't even remember I have. I know this is a plus size. Just can't find it. So I'm going to keep that to the side. Now these pants, these were some of my favorite jeans when I was thin. So, throw them in here. In fact, what I'm just going to do is just go ahead and take everything that I want to hold on to as far as the pieces that I want to keep to, you know, in case not in case, when I lose weight, correction, I'm going to throw them in here. This, I'm going to throw over here behind me because I think I will probably get rid of that. I'm going to do the rest of this off camera. This is the stuff that I ultimately ended up, I'm going to donate. It was difficult, you all. This is basically empty. So a few things are in there, which I'm going to keep. Also, I have another container full of two-piece velvet and denim outfits. I can't let them go, y'all. It's in the garage. But the rest of the stuff, I ended up keeping it. Look at that. Damn! We got sweaters and pajamas, sleepwear stuff, loungewear, more sweaters, all this winter stuff here. And I got a couple of comforters and items here. I gave away some of my comforters. I don't need all that. I have one way up the back behind there. But, yeah. I am so tired. That's a lot of work. But, yeah, now, that stuff has to go in the back of my car because I'm literally going to donate this stuff here. Taking it around to the Goodwill. Take care, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.